Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add a sent sticker to your favorites in an Instagram group. Stickers can add a fun touch to your conversations, and saving your favorites makes it even easier to express yourself. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are stored. Tap on it to enter your messages. Now, find and open the group chat that contains the sticker you want to save. Scroll through your conversations until you locate the group chat. Once you've opened it, take a moment to browse through the messages to find the sticker you want to favorite. When you see the sticker, it's time for the next step. Click and hold on the sent sticker. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Among these options, you'll see Favorite. Select this option to save the sticker to your favorites. And that's it. You've successfully added a sent sticker to your favorites. Whenever you want to use that sticker again, simply go back to your sticker menu in any chat and you'll find it there ready for use. This simple process not only enhances your messaging experience, but also allows you to keep track of stickers that resonate with you or that you frequently use. So, next time you're chatting in a group and come across a great sticker, remember these steps. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy using your favorite stickers on Instagram, and don't forget to share this guide with friends who might find it helpful too.